What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Jasmy, which is up 10.5% at 3.5 cents. This is the move that we talked about during yesterday's video here, testing that downtrend resistance area, and we are there right now at 10.5. So hopefully we have the momentum, hopefully indicators are reset, and we have the juice to smash through this resistance area and continue back up to that 5 cents area, which we will be talking about in this technical analysis. So market cap working our way back to that 2 billion at 1.7 billion. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everybody, let's get in the Jasmy right here. This is the move we were looking at yesterday with all the indicators looking like a bullish impulse was about ready to take place. Now, one thing that we wanted to focus on, which we talked about, was this downtrend resistance area, which looks like we're at it right now on the day chart. This is very, very important, guys. If you don't take anything away from this video, this current price range at 3.5 needs the break. If we get above this 3.5 for Jasmy, we're clear sailing back up to 5 to 5.5 at this point. Indicators are looking solid as well. After this lengthy bearish movement on the MACD, we're working our way towards a bullish crossover. Look at how long it's been since we were that bearish on the MACD, all the way back to April of 2022. So I'm pretty stoked to see what type of bullish impulse comes from this. On top of that, you have the RSI that has a V-shaped bottom right here, currently tailing back up, which is fantastic. What I want to see this RSI do is put in a higher high here, which would confirm to me that we're going to be going to much higher prices for Jasmy. And the WTX did put in a bottom as well. So what we're currently focusing on here on the day chart is the 3.5 cents area. We need to smash that. We need to close above that. Short term right now, we can kind of see this prediction taking place. You can see we're kind of getting slightly rejected at it right now. We tried to break out of it, but we're right there, guys. We're right there at it. The great part is we're not overbought on our indicators on the short term. If you look at the MACD, yes, we have a lighter green candle on the MACD, but I'm really not too concerned about that right now, because in the short term, you can flip from lighter green to darker green, and it's not as prominent as it is on the day chart, if that makes sense. Now, if we look at the RSI, similar on the RSI is not overbought yet. We're starting to rocket right here. We are starting to rocket, putting a lower low. So hypothetically, since we have a trend reversal here from December 20th, we should be putting in a higher high, which means there's a lot more room to run up here for Jasmy, along with the WTX starting to sail higher as well with a higher low. So I would be keeping an eye. I believe this is what we talked about on the downtrend with the WTX, is the room up to around 33 on that, which does lead us to believe, look, we are currently trying to break out here, guys. We are currently trying to break out on Jasmy. Now, if you want to move the goalpost a little bit, this is for you, for a little bit of hopium for you guys. If you ignore these wicks right here and just go off the handle body top, we actually broke out earlier today on this coin. So this is a little bit of hopium right here, moving the goalpost a little bit. It even shows it on the day chart. If you want to play your cards that way, you can technically say, look at, we're off the bodies of the candle. You have this nice day candle that shows a breakout. If you want to play that way, perfectly. I mean, the indicators are definitely backing that up. So I think Jasmy is just on the cusp here of working its way back up to 3.5 after this downtrend right here. Now, I'm spouting a little bit of hopium right here, but the indicators are kind of backing that up. The only bearish thing that I see is if we happen to fall back down into this downtrend right here, you can kind of see the slight channel forming. We do not want to fall back down into this, guys, because if we fall back down into this, then it's just gonna be some more fake out, and then we have to look for that. But I don't think that's to be the case here. I think Jasmy is officially on the verge of breaking out. And then if we draw the short term here, which if we remove all the drawings and draw the short term fib from the high to the low, you can see we're getting stopped at the 618. That's why I said that 3.5 is so important, guys. We need to break this micro 618. We break that, the sky's the limit. We break that, the next micro resistance 4.5, and then to infinity and beyond. So congratulations, Jasmy Moon Boys. You guys are doing it again. This coin's gearing up. I think we can easily touch $1 this bull run. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.